What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, hold on, we're gonna lower this down because I am wearing something, okay? Yeah. YouTube, don't demonetize this video. I got clothes on. All right. Okay. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be just doing an Amazon unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got from Amazon. It's literally only two things. So the first thing that I got are these press-on toenails. I really like these. I don't really need to wear them right now because my toes are painted pink. Actually, they're so cute. But I got me some press-on toenails to match my press-on nails. I really love these. So I got me a cute little Frenchie. Some of them are not, you see that, but it's fine. I've already used these before, so I know which ones fit me and which ones don't. So yeah, I really love these. They're super cute and they last super long, and yeah, I actually really have no complaints about these. So if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg going to the nail salon and just waiting and dealing with people and all that good stuff, go ahead and get you this kit right here and these toenails, and bam. Especially if you're on the go, like, I love it. It's so good. So the next thing that I decided to get was this lip gloss. I am not paying an arm and a leg for Dior lip gloss. This is a Dior dupe, so I already did this on my TikTok, but so this is the first one that I got. As you can see, the words are off, but that's all right. This is the first one that I got. It's really thick and I really like it. It also has a minty cooling sensation as well, and I like it. This is the cherry one. The words are off, but I don't really care about the words being off. I care about what's in the product. I mean, I care about what's in the tube, and it does come with a doe foot. I have not tried the Dior lip gloss. I just can't bring myself to pay $40 for some lip gloss, but this is the cherry one. As you can see, really nice, really pigmented, and I always wear this one. You can see where it's at. It's like halfway. But yeah, this one is really cute, and I was like, you know what, I want to get a different color, and it's literally $2.99, so you can see the difference here. Trying to wipe everything off. Nothing is on my lips. They're very dry, and yeah. So this is the rosewood color. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront if you do want to buy, so just keep that in mind. Everything is going to be linked in my Amazon storefront, and you can find the link to my Amazon storefront on my TikTok or Instagram. I know one of y'all somebody has, you know, one of the two. If you don't have Instagram, you have TikTok. So everything will be located. My Amazon storefront is located in my TikTok bio as well as my Instagram bio. Okay, so don't ask me where can I get it. Look in my Amazon bio on my TikTok or my Instagram. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice, so is my Instagram. Okay, all right. So this is the rosewood one, the rosewood Dior dupe, and I'm going to show you. Look at that. So you see the difference? And this is without liner. This is so pretty. For $2, okay? Why would you pay $40 when you can pay $2? Yeah. Yes, and I think it goes good with my skin tone as well, and it also has that minty cooling sensation that I love. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Shout out to Amazon for having Dior dupes, baby. Shout out. Like I said, the words came off, but I don't really care about that. I care about what's in the product, and this one is just so cute. So if you were looking for if you want to get the Rosewood Dior dupe, but you don't want to pay $40, Amazon, $2. That is very affordable. Okay, this one was $2 as well. This is the cherry one. Rosewood cherry. Yes, absolutely. And yeah, y'all, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice98. My Amazon storefront is linked in both bios, TikTok and Instagram, Kyla Latrice. Okay, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Look at that shine.